Hi, I'm Vineet from ClearTax. In this video, we will understand how to use ClearTax's PPF Calculator. Before we proceed to understand how to use PPF Calculator, we will first understand what is Public Provident Fund or PPF. It is one of the most popular small savings schemes. It is covered under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. PPF offers tax deductions of up to Rs 1,50,000 a year and helps you save up to Rs 46,800 a year in taxes. This scheme is backed by the Government of India and offers assured returns. The interest rate on PPF is revised on a regular basis by the Government of India. This is one of the best investment options for risk-averse investors. You have to invest a minimum of Rs 500 a year, while you can invest up to Rs 1,50,000 a year. The scheme comes with a lock-in period of 15 years, making it suitable for long-term investments. There are provisions to make premature withdrawals on meeting certain conditions. Once the account matures, you have the option of continuing your investment in a block of 5 years. Let's now understand what a PPF calculator is. PPF calculator is a simulation designed to help you estimate the amount of money accumulated in your PPF account at any given point of time. With the following steps, you can estimate your PPF balance using ClearTax's PPF calculator. Step 1. Log on to cleartax.in/s/ppf-calculator. Step 2. Select the frequency of investment in the drop-down. Step 3. Enter the amount you would like to invest. Step 4. The interest rate is automatically taken. Step 5. Enter the duration for which you would like to invest and stay invested. On entering these details, our PPF calculator will estimate the amount your account would accumulate at maturity. Note that the results displayed by the calculator are dependent only on your inputs. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.